Shut up and sit down.
Welcome back to Financial Phoenix. In this video, we're going to feature other forms of savings that you can score at Dollar General beyond just digital and paper coupons. These are part of our Back to Basics series. If you haven't caught the rest of it already, what are you waiting for? Just check back on this playlist and you'll see the other videos as well. Remember that you can follow us on Instagram and join our Facebook deals group for deal breakdowns, clearance alerts, everything you need to know. Those links will be in the description box below this video. Let's go ahead and get started. So far in this series, we've discussed digital and paper coupons as our primary form of savings when it comes to shopping at Dollar General. And those are very important, especially for a good 5 off of 25 transaction. However, we can't leave out some of the other forms of savings and that we can use to get things as cheaply as possible. So without further ado, we're gonna start by taking a look at rebate apps. Most rebate apps are fairly easy to use even if you're not technologically savvy, kind of like me. Probably the most popular is Ibotta, and you can use it to search different retailers on your phone and see if there are any rebates available at the store you're going to shop at. So if I put Dollar General in, I can then scroll through and see if there are any available rebate offers. If I find one that I'd like to include in my 5 off of 25 transaction on Saturday, I simply need to buy that product as part of my transaction and make sure I get a receipt for my purchase. Once I'm done shopping, I use the app to take a picture of my receipt and scan the product barcode. Ibotta takes that information, and within a day or so, the rebate amount is added to my Ibotta account. I can cash out every time I reach $20, and it can go to your PayPal account or even directly to your bank account. So let's say that I complete my transaction at Dollar General and I've spent $8 on $25 worth of products using digital and paper coupons. I've already done a great job and saved a lot of money. But now if I redeem 2 rebate offers for $1 a piece through the Ibotta app, now I've essentially spent $6 on $25 worth of product, which is even better. Ibotta happens to be my favorite because they offer bonuses for certain amounts of rebates that you do. So for example, they might put an offer in your account for $5 bonus cash if you redeem 12 offers. So if you redeem those 12 offers and you're able to get them for free, hey, you've just made $5. If you'd like to sign up for Ibotta, please use our code DDASFMR. I'll put it above me on the screen right there. Other rebate apps that I like to use and find really helpful are Fetch, Shopkick, Checkout 51, and Swagbucks. If you'd like to see a beginner video on any of those, just leave me a comment down below and I'll be sure to get those out to you. There are also links to those apps as well in the description box down below. In addition to rebate apps, we also briefly mentioned DG Rewards earlier in this series. You'll see DG Rewards at the top of your screen under the digital coupons section of their website. Usually these offers will require you to spend a certain amount on products, and once completed, you'll then receive a discount on the bottom of your receipt, which can be used on a future purchase. The last form of savings to mention today is instant savings. Instant savings is a promotion that DG offers from time to time on certain products, usually for something like buy 2 of these, save $1. You might see something like save $1 instantly when you buy 2 in their weekly ad. The important thing to note about instant savings is that it will automatically be deducted first at the register once the items are scanned in. This is sometimes responsible for tripping people up in the order of their transactions. I did mention we would talk about this again in a future intermediate video. Instant savings isn't something I would recommend trying if you're just starting out because it can get a little bit confusing. But if you've been couponing for a while, you'll want to look at our intermediate videos for help with the instant savings part of the transaction process. Thanks so much for checking out this video. We really appreciate it. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our educational couponing videos, deal breakdowns, deal alerts, and more. Leave us a thumbs up if you found some value here, and make sure to share it with somebody who you know needs some help paying for groceries and saving money on groceries this month. So thank you, and remember to save money, make money, and dream big. Bye, everybody.
Shut up and sit down.